Hi, this is Lesson 1.1, Introduction to Accounting. All I'm going to do in this very short session is explain to you the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. Financial accounting is section 1 and 2 in your paper. Now, section 1, that will be for an amount of 120 marks, and section 2 would be 2 questions of 100 marks, so that's 200 marks. So you can see out of the 400 marks in the paper, most of it will be financial accounting, but it's to know the difference between them is the important thing here. Basically, if you think of financial accounting as your old bookkeeping, bookkeeping that you did for junior cert, it's collecting, recording, classifying past events. It's referred to as bookkeeping. So, and I mean, if we were to put that in sort of everyday language, it's like where your money went. What did you do with your money? Or goods. It doesn't always have to be money. And the features of it. It's historical. That means it's based upon past events. Yeah. And it's governed by legislation. So in other words, if you're a company, you have to conform to the Companies Act and prepare the accounts every year, and they have to be in a certain layout. And it's annual. Yeah, it usually happens at the end of the year. Some businesses may do them maybe twice a year. And the most common example would be final accounts, but there are many others like cash flow statements, published accounts, etc. Also, maybe another thing to remember that these are mainly for external use, but not always. But it's mainly for people outside the business, like at the bank or creditors, debenture holders, or speculators. Okay, but that's financial. Now, management. Section 3, it's only one question on your paper, it's 80 marks, and it's usually either, it'll always be either a costing or a budgeting question. And if in the previous example we said where your money went, the best description of this is where you think your money is going to go, what you're going to do, planning for the next year. So it's all about the future. It's planning, controlling, talking about the future. So the features of it again, then it's planning for the future. There are no legal requirements. You don't have to do them at all. And because they are internal, they're for internal use mainly. They're prepared as required. So if you're doing a contract for the job, well, then you go to cost it. And the two main forms of management accounting you're going to come across will be budgeting and costing. Be a question on each, and you'll make a choice on that in the Leaving Cert which one that you do. So again, it's really just to know the difference between management accounting and financial accounting. All right, there are a couple of questions here. I can just ask you to go through them, and I'll go through them with you, the solutions. Okay, so these are the questions. Trading profit and loss account is financial. Why? Because it's past events. The cash budget is management because it's about the future. If something is in accordance with the Companies Act, that means it's legislation, and the legislation involved will only relate to financial. How much purchases cost this year? That means it's past this year. Past events, that's financial. Any projected figures for sales, for anything, is about the future, and the future means management. And telling me what I'm going to do with my money or where will it go is management, because that's about the future. Okay, so again, all we've done is just compared financial accounting and management accounting. Next session we're going to do would be an introduction to double entry.
If you like this video, you'll love our notes. You can get some for free in the link in the description of this video.